What is water, you ask? Well, water is something truly special. It's a magical substance that we see every day, yet it holds amazing secrets and powers. Let's dive in to explore what water really is. Water is a simple substance made of tiny particles called molecules. Each water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. And that's why we call it H2O. It's kind of like a tiny building block. Imagine if a water molecule were a little Lego piece with 2 red bumps, the hydrogen atoms, and 1 blue bump, the oxygen atom. When lots of these Lego pieces come together, they make up the water we drink, swim in, and use for so many activities. But what makes water so special? First, water is a liquid that doesn't have a taste or smell. It's crystal clear, which means we can see right through it. One of the coolest things about water is that it can change into different forms. It can be a solid, like ice, a liquid, like the water you drink, or a gas, known as steam or water vapor. You might wonder, how does water change like that? It's like magic, but it's actually science. Water changes with temperature. When it gets very cold, like in a freezer, water freezes and becomes solid ice. When it's warm, water is a liquid. And when it's really hot, like when we boil it, water turns into steam and floats away in the air as tiny invisible drops. Water is also incredibly important for all living things. Every plant and animal needs water to survive, including humans. It helps us stay healthy by keeping our bodies hydrated. Think of water as the fuel that lets our bodies do all the amazing things they need to do, from running around at recess to helping our brains think. Moreover, water is a great traveler. It can move around our world in an incredible journey called the water cycle. Imagine the water cycle as water's epic adventure. Water evaporates from the ocean and travels up into the sky as clouds. When those clouds get heavy with water, it rains or snows, and the water comes back down to earth. Then, it flows in rivers and streams back to the ocean to start its journey again. Lastly, water gives life to beautiful and astounding natural wonders. It forms rivers, lakes, oceans, and even waterfalls. Just think of the Grand Canyon or Niagara Falls. These natural marvels were shaped and continue to be refined by the power of water. So next time you take a sip of water, wash your hands, splash in a puddle, or watch the rain, remember that water is not just an ordinary liquid. It's a wonder of nature, a magical story that keeps every living thing connected. Isn't that amazing?